Hello! Today we are going to learn shell scripting in Linux. In Module 4 we have these topics: basic shell scripting concepts and syntax, writing and executing shell scripts, shell script debugging and troubleshooting. Shell scripting is a powerful tool for automating tasks in a Linux environment. Here are some basic concepts and syntax for shell scripting. 1. Shebang line. The shebang line is the first line of a shell script and tells the system which shell to use to interpret the script. The most common shebang line for bash is bin bash. 2. Variables. Variables in shell scripting are used to store values and can be created using the syntax variable name equals value. For example, name equals John creates a variable named name with the value John. 3. Command substitution. Command substitution is a way to capture the output of a command and use it as a variable in a script. This can be done using the syntax variable name equals command. For example, date equals date plus ymd captures the current date in the format ymdd. 4. Conditional statements. Conditional statements are used to perform actions based on the result of a condition. The syntax for a conditional statement is if condition, then command. 5. For example, if name equals John, then echo hello John. Phi will print hello John if the value of the name variable is John. 5. Loops. Loops are used to execute a block of code multiple times. There are two types of loops in shell scripting: for loops and while loops. The syntax for a for loop is for variable and list. Do command, done. The syntax for a while loop is while condition. Do command, done. 6. Functions. Functions in shell scripting are used to group a set of commands together and execute them as a single unit. Functions can be defined using the syntax function name command 1, command 2. For example, greeting echo hello $1 defines a function called greeting that takes one argument and prints a greeting message. 7. Comments. Comments in shell scripting are used to add notes and explanations to a script. Comments begin with the symbol and continue to the end of the line. Overall, shell scripting is a powerful tool for automating tasks in a Linux environment and understanding the basic concepts and syntax. Syntax of shell scripting is crucial for writing effective and efficient scripts. To write and execute a shell script in Linux, follow these steps. 1. Open a text editor. To create a new shell script, open a text editor such as Nano, Vim, or Gedit. 2. Add the shebang line. The first line of the script should specify which shell the script should be run in. For example, bin bash specifies that the script should be run in the bash shell. 3. Add commands. Write the commands that you want to include in the script. Make sure to use the correct syntax for each command and add comments to make the script easier to understand. 4. Save the script.
Once you've finished writing the script, save it with H file extension. For example, myscript.sh. 5. Make the script executable. Before you can run the script, you need to make it executable. You can do this using the chmod command. For example, chmod plus x myscript.sh makes myscript.sh executable. 6. Execute the script. To run the script, navigate to the directory where the script is located
and enter /myscript.sh in the terminal. This will execute the script using the shell specified in the shebang line. Note: when executing a shell script, make sure to use the correct path to the script. If the script is not in the current directory, you need to specify the full path to the script. For example, /home/user/script/myscript.sh. Overall, writing and executing shell scripts is a powerful tool for automating tasks in a Linux environment. By following these steps, you can create and execute your own shell scripts to simplify and streamline your workflow. Debugging and troubleshooting shell scripts can be a challenging task, but there are several techniques that can make the process easier. Here are some tips for debugging and troubleshooting shell scripts. 1. Enable debugging. To enable debugging, add the X option to the shebang line of the script. This will print each command and its arguments as they are executed. For example, bin bash x. 2. Use comments. Comments can be used to explain what each section of the script does. This can make it easier to identify where a problem is occurring. 3. Use echo. Use echo statements to print the value of variables and other information during the script execution. This can help to identify where the script is failing. 4. Check error messages. When a command fails, it usually generates an error message. These error messages can provide valuable information about the cause of the problem. Check the error messages and use them to identify the problem. 5. Test each section. Break the script into smaller sections and test each section individually. This can help to isolate the problem and identify which section of the script is causing the issue. 6. Use a debugger. Some shell environments have built-in debuggers, such as bashed or shod. These debuggers allow you to step through the script line by line and examine the values of variables and other data. 7. Review documentation. If you are using a command or function that is unfamiliar to you, review the documentation to ensure that you are using it correctly. By using these techniques, you can identify and fix problems in shell scripts more quickly and efficiently. Remember to be patient and persistent when troubleshooting, as it can take some time to find the root cause of the problem. Thank you.